U.S. stock futures edged higher on Tuesday as investors entered a critical week full of key economic reports and one of the most closely watched corporate earnings announcements of the year, Nvidia's quarterly results. While futures pointed upward, overall market sentiment remained cautious, reflecting uncertainty about Federal Reserve policy and the broader economic outlook. The early rise in futures signals mild optimism, but analysts warn that the market remains far from a strong rally. Bond market volatility and fading expectations for aggressive interest rate cuts are keeping investors on edge. Traders are focusing on economic data that could clarify whether the Fed has room to ease policy or if persistent inflation will keep rates high. Key U.S. economic data this week includes jobless claims, inflation indicators, and manufacturing reports. These numbers will help investors gauge the economy's resilience and determine whether consumer spending and the labor market can withstand higher borrowing costs. Any surprises could quickly shift market expectations. The main focus, however, is Nvidia's earnings. As one of the world's most valuable companies, Nvidia has become a bellwether for the technology sector. Investors are closely watching whether the AI chip giant can sustain its remarkable growth. Forward guidance will be critical. Any cautious tone could trigger significant volatility in tech-heavy indices like the Nasdaq. Adding to market caution is the fading expectation of Federal Reserve rate cuts. Strong economic data suggests the Fed may keep policy restrictive longer, which typically weighs on high-growth technology stocks. This week's data and Nvidia's results are now even more important in shaping market sentiment. In summary, U.S. stock futures may be rising slightly, but the market is in a holding pattern. Investors are waiting for economic indicators and Nvidia's earnings to set the tone. A strong performance could revive momentum heading into year-end, but any disappointment could quickly increase uncertainty and market volatility. This week is crucial for global markets. All eyes are on Nvidia and the upcoming economic data. What happens here could define investor sentiment for the rest of the year. Stay tuned and subscribe for timely market updates and analysis.